Hey, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with carnivore and keto and counting calories. Take a look at the description. I got a lot of various videos and things that you might be interested in. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate you. Have a great day. Okay, all my vacation Bible school adults who were in vacation Bible school and Sunday school. Let's see if you remember it. This little gospel light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little gospel light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. This little gospel light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let it shine all the time, let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. Hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine. These poor dogs, they hear me yelling no. Hide it under a bushel, no, I'm gonna let it shine all the time, let it shine. All right, now let's get our stuff together for tomorrow. Now, I already cracked in a couple eggs, and I pulled some more sauteed veg out of the freezer and pulled pork out of the freezer. We're just gonna just finish this off and just put all of it in there. I could have put cracked my eggs down in here, and then I wouldn't have had to waste another container, but you know, I ain't always about planning ahead very well. Hey, so listen, you know, I had that work thing today. Don't be afraid to take your food somewhere, y'all. Like, seriously. You see, I take it everywhere I go. I mean, people are people, you know? And they're going to cheer you on. I'm debating on taking all this, but I'm not. Don't do it, Terry. Don't do it. People are going to cheer you on. And if they see that you're doing something for your health, let me tell you, they're going to be so proud of you. Because whenever I went today, you know, it's always a thing. What'd you bring today, Terry? What'd you bring? And then I tell them. Even my boss is like, what you got? So, you know, it's just a fun thing because people, because let me tell you, they know what they're eating and they see what you're eating and they see how you're looking and they see how dedicated you are. And they're like, well, all right then. You know, so they're, you know, they know you're doing the right thing and taking care of you. So don't be worrying about what other people think and say. They ain't worrying about you. They're just happy that you're doing good, you know. So that's my salad. I'm going to put on a little bit of jicama. I have not used my pickles much this week because there's not a lot of room in here. I did pull them out, but I went shopping. What is today? Today's Thursday. And I'm making up my food for Friday, by the way. I did go shopping. And what did I get? I bought my regular groceries. So at work, they want to have a breakfast. What do you call it? Like a breakfast potluck. So I went to Walmart and I bought some of those frozen sausages. And then a couple packages of bacon. And so it's going to be on the 17th of November. I think the 17th. Whatever day it's going to be. And then I'll do my meal prep on that weekend. And what I'll do is, since I bought frozen sausage, I don't have to do anything for those. Just the day of, I will just take them with me to work. And, you know, I can just heat up several of them up. And so that'll be something easy and fun and something I can take home. So when it's done, you know, I prefer to take stuff that I can take home when it's all over. You know what I mean? And I'm going to put on some pico de gallo so I can finish this up. It's just tomatoes and onions. But no, don't use it all, Terry. Listen, I still struggle with my eyeballs being bigger than my stomach. I struggle every dadgum day. You guys see it live on national YouTube. International YouTube. Ha! You see it live on international YouTube. because some of you people are watching me from another country. I think that's pretty cool. I know Mette's from I think Mette, you say you're from Germany. I've got some people from Canada. Tell me in the comments, like, what country or what state you're in that you're watching from. Because I can't remember who all is where. And I know some of you all are from just various places. And I think that's pretty dadgum cool. That, you know, we can watch and keep up with people who are on the other side of the whole earth. That's just pretty remarkable to me. This is my, what do you call them? Pork chops and onion gravy. I think I still have 2 more of these left. I'm eating on this for a whole year, I think. But I got my breakfast. Oh, and that's all. Terry Toodaloo. I forgot my guacamole and more seasoning. Where'd you go, little feller? Let me find it. I know it's out here somewhere. So this is frozen avocado. And I just put it in here. And so by morning, it's ready for me to eat. As long as I put my little lid on right. This is half of a serving of frozen avocado. That way I can get a little bit of fat and without too many calories. So that's my breakfast. That's my lunch. And where's my apple? Here we go. Got my apple. And, oh, I'm taking some Febreze to work. You know, sometimes you just need some. So I'm taking, this is fig and plum smell. I was about to say flavor. Isn't it funny? Oh, I don't want to put that in the refrigerator. It's funny how sometimes you say flavor, like for candles. You know, it's like, oh, that's a vanilla flavored candle. So I bought a couple things. I said in the last video, but you'll see it again. I bought these today. They're black soybeans because they're very low carb. So I wanted to try them. We were talking about down in the comments. For my electrolytes, I thought I'm going to order some of these. They're silica gel desiccants. And you place your item and a packet in a sealed container to protect item from moisture. Use more packets in a very humid area. So it's just a package of 100. But what happens is I come in to scoop out my electrolytes and they're in a clump. And so I'm just going to try it. See. Oh, dude. Listen. Not a one of y'all said, Terry, where's the cheese for your eggs? Not one of you. Not a one of y'all. I think I'm going to have to fire every one of you. That's it. You're fired. I sound like a TV famous person. You're fired. Anyway, so there's that. And I'm not going to season it because I'll just use salt at work. Because today I had to take my stuff, I had to take it to a place where I didn't have seasonings. But anyway, so I bought those today. I bought that today. Oh, I bought some tea that you can use in your Keurig. I got it for work because there's a Keurig at work and then some for here. Every now and then you just want to, sometimes you just want a nice cup of tea. You just want some tea. And so anyway, so I got one for my Keurig. So, all right, well, that's it. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator. Oh, yeah, I usually fix my coffee. All I'm going to do is put my electrolytes in there. And, yeah, so I have my coffee in the morning. So, okay, bye. Don't forget, this little gospel light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. This little gospel light of mine, I'm going to let it shine. Okay, bye. Leah, your mom just emailed me a picture of you wearing your bonnet that's just like mine. Yay, we're twins. Aw, thank you for emailing me that picture, Lori. I won't share it or anything, but Leah, we're twins. Yay, we both have our bonnets on. Woohoo! It keeps our curly hair looking all nice and fresh. Hi, Leah. Hi, Lori. Thanks for sending me that email, that picture. I love it. We're twins in our bonnet. Bye. They don't always get them in the front one, but look. There's Baxter and Sammy and Callie, and Lou's way over there. He's not worried about it. You can see his back. There you can see his back. There he is. There's a bold boy. Hey, Bubba boy. So there's the babies. And they're at their version of Disneyland. You be good boys and girls today. You be good babies. Good morning. It's 8 o'clock, but I'm tired. I'm cranky. I couldn't sleep very well last night, so I'm just grr. And it's Friday, and I'm just, yeah. So I'm just going to make this quick. By the way, curly hair does not care about your feelings. I washed it, scrunched it like I always do, and it was like, wah. So I had to just use my flat iron on it and straighten it out. Because today it said, not today. So if you have curly hair and your hair makes up its own mind, you are not alone. So I'm having avocado and eggs. And I need to salt this and let it cool down. But I'm just tired. So I'll see you at lunch. Maybe I'll be perkier then. Hi, I bet you didn't expect to see me here again, did you? Well, I could not sleep for nothing last night. My brain was just blah, 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 blah. And then I was getting mad at myself, just like, shut up, brain, shut up, brain. Well, the madder I got, the harder it was to go to sleep. So I called my boss this morning. I was like, boss, I said, I couldn't sleep for anything last night. I said, nothing's wrong. I said, but can I go home at noon today? She said, okay. So it's 12:35. I dropped the dogs off at daycare this morning and then went to work. Well, I was thinking, just leave them there, go back later. Then I thought, I'm going to go home and take off my bra and rest. Do I want to have to get back and put my bra back on just to go out and get my dogs? No. So long story short, I picked up the dogs. So they had a half day at daycare today. So I'm home. I'm eating the lunch that I made up. The salad. Like I said, it's 12:30. And I ate the apple before I left work. And so I was like, I want something, but I want to wait to get home until I eat. So I ate my apple. So now, I'm eating a salad and a pork chop with onion gravy. So that's what I'm going to eat now. I'll see you at supper. That boy. It don't matter where he goes. When he comes home, he's back on high alert. Alright, anyway, I'm going to go stretch out. I'm going to go eat and then stretch out. I'll see you at supper. Bye. Hello. So supper tonight is some rutabaga. It's 200 grams. This looks like what, it's been a long time. The texture of it looks like what I did in the microwave. If you remember, I did a rutabaga in the microwave. But it says 200 bega. So I know it's rutabaga, Lori. You said you're always laughing because I say I don't know what something is. I don't really know. I kind of want something on it. I don't really know what. What is it I usually put on my rutabaga? Maybe just a little bit of salt. Where's my salt? Right here in front of my eyes. Just a little salt. Whoa. Just a little salt's what I said, ain't it? I don't know. I think there's something else I put on my rutabaga. But I don't want a whole lot of flavor on it. I just want a little salt. That's good. And steak. I'm holding everything up here because I got a mess on my counter. So this is what I'm thinking. So tomorrow is Saturday. And I got a video coming out tomorrow. And then I think Sunday is my chili recipe. So that'll be that. I think next week, what I'm going to do is show you all how I make my riced chicken from start and then how I use it in a recipe. So like Saturday, I'm thinking Saturday, I'll crock pot it. Show y'all how I crock pot it. And then show you how I dry it out in a skillet. And Sunday, make like a pork, like an Asian pork something or another. So that way you can see how I make it and what I do with that. That's supper and some fruit. Yeah. Alright. That's all I got. And I'm going to be going to bed early tonight. It's only 4:15. But I'm eating now because I know I'm going to be in bed knocked out by 8 o'clock. So I'll have a busy day tomorrow. Doing laundry and all that good stuff and meal prep. I'll have to make my salads as usual. I don't know. Do y'all want me to upload my salads every time I make them? I do the same thing. I mean, it's what I do. It's part of my routine. I guess if somebody new comes along, they'll want to see it. But whenever y'all see me make something like 50, 11 times, don't feel obligated to see me make it 50, 11, and 1. I won't be insulted. I understand. Well, that's it. Maybe a little bit of garlic clover on here. I may have regrets for this, but whoa, that's a little carried away there, Terry Toodaloo. Okay. Let's see what we think about that. Oh, that's good. All right then. That's my supper, and I'll see you in the morning. Bye.